Hey everybody, how you guys doing? I got something super special for you right now. It's the tax refund sale. It's so huge, I just had to grab my GoPro. It's 5 in the morning and I wanted to show you guys what's going on. This is bigger than any sale that I've ever done. Why? Because it's a sale times 4. Let's go out front. I'm gonna show you. You're not gonna believe this. I just grabbed my GoPro, whatever platform you're watching this on, you're either seeing it on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. I sure appreciate you guys, watching this because this is going to be sick. Also, share this for your family and friends because this sale, you're not going to want to miss this one. So, the first thing is go to my website, okay? If you look at the website, hopefully you can see this. Go to the website and hit click here first, okay? That's gonna be the page that shows you everything that's going on. Then that will pull up this page right here. And, there's my friend Brad. I was just down there in Arizona. Can you see that? There we go. This explains the 4 levels of this sale. Oh, this sale's so big I made a commercial. Take a look. The tax refund sale is here!
Outrageous audio.
Touchscreen with rear view camera for $97. $500 kicker base package for $188. Bluetooth stereos for $29. Full cal speakers are half off. This is like 4 sales in one. The entire store slashed. Every person can spin the wheel. We're now taking trade-ins, working or not. Alarms and remote starts are free. Go to outrageousaudio.com right now to see it all. Isn't that nuts? See, what's nice about this is me grabbing the GoPro and just coming down is we have a little more time so I can explain each aspect of this sale, okay? Number 1, the entire store is marked down. Look at this, every single thing. We spent all night marking down every single item in the store. Number 2, I brought the Wheel of Fun back out. Look at this, ready to go. You can spin up to 3 times. Every person that participates in this sale can spin and win. You can win headphones, you can win speakers. I've got all the prizes out. We got kicker t-shirts. You can even win a $500 outrageous audio gift card. That's number 2. Number 3. We are taking trade-ins. Can you believe that? Do you have some old electronics sitting in your garage? Now, no speakers, no subwoofers, only aftermarket electronics. Maybe you have an old deck. Maybe you have an old cell phone. Maybe you have an old amplifier. Why are we taking it in? We can use the screws, we can use little parts. Like I said, working or not, just bring it in and you can use it towards something new. Can you believe that? Then, number 4. Are you ready for this? Free car alarms and remote starts? Yeah? What's the catch? There is no catch. All you have to do is click on the button that says free alarms or free remote starts on our website and use the finance program. Use Snap or SEMA or anyone that we've got there, and that's it. Then you can pick out your free car alarm or a free remote start. All the details are right there on the site. Okay, you're probably going, Blane, well, show me some of the deals, right? Well, first off, on our website, you can click on any of the buttons there, and I've brought up some example prices, okay? So when you click on speakers, stereos, whatever, it's gonna show you some of the decks, some of the speakers, and it'll show you the prices. Those are examples. If it's up on our website, I've still got it in stock. And just note that the entire store is priced like this. Let's walk around real quick. Okay, you see this? $1,600 base package for $9.99. This is a monster. Let's go over here. Oh, what should I show you? All the speakers are marked down, just like I said. On the website, I showed it. Focal speakers, here they are. Half off for the 6.5s. They're normally $159. Look at that, they're down to $79. All the base packages, look at the new wall we just created with all the new base packages. All of them are slashed. Look at this, are you kidding me? A $500 kicker base package right here for $188. You see that? That comes with the 12-inch sub, the box, the amp, the wire kit. The 2 best-selling decks in the world. I'm even marking those down. I don't have to. We sell them like crazy. The prices, I put the prices on yesterday. We sold like 3 or 4 of each just like yesterday. People came in and went, "Are you kidding me? That's what you're selling those decks for?" Here they are. First one, Alpine ILX W650. This is the #1 inexpensive CarPlay deck in the world. Now, normally you'll see that for like $399. Now, I can't tell you the price, but I think you can figure it out. You take $100 off and add a free camera. That's what you get it for here. Are you kidding me? Then you got the Sony ES9500. This is the 10.1-inch floating screen that everybody wants. It's normally $14.99. You'll see it for $13.99 all over the internet. I can't show you the price, but I promise you it's hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars off. Does that make sense? I think you can figure it out. Well, there you go. I did this for you guys. Priced the entire store down. Brought the Wheel of Fun out. We're taking the trade-ins, free car alarms, remote start. I mean, that is a 4-level sale that we've never done before. Share this for your family and friends. You've got to get down here. And remember, to get that remote start or the car alarm, just click that button, fill out the thing, and use it, and you get it. You get to choose. It's that simple. I sure appreciate you guys.